Hello friends, welcome to series 2 of Python. Today we are going to learn about decision making. Decision making we require when we want to write a program where you need to take decision. Decision, for example, here if age is more than equal to 18, so a person's age, if it is 18 or above, then you're going to print eligible to vote. Okay, so this is actually called a condition, and if this condition is true, then it will perform this. Now you have another variety where you have if else, right? So multiple conditions can be given here. That is, I'm checking for teenager, right? So teenager means what? From 13 to 19. So you have to write if age more than equal to 13 and age less than equal to 19. If it is so, don't forget to put colon here after the condition. Then you will print what? Teenager. And if the condition is false, if the age is something else apart from the range 13 to 19, then it is going to print what? Not a teenager. You have another variety of if, that is elif ladder. Multiple conditions can be checked, right? So this is one condition. If not this is true, then it will go for this checking. If this is also not true, then this will be checked, and if none of the condition, if it is true, then it will perform this block, that is the else block. So here I'm testing if age is greater than 0 and less than equal to 12, that is still 12, it is child. From 30 to 19 it is teenager. From 19 above to 59 it is adult. Otherwise they are all senior citizen. Now let us open the Python window and let us test all the things that we have learned so far. So let me bring the window here and let me go to the script mode, right? So first of all, I'm going to assign age. Okay, this time let me do what? Suppose 56. You're writing, or let us first of all check, a number, a different question altogether. Write a program, write a program to check whether divisible by 7 or not. So you will do what? You will assign a number, okay, and this number, whether divisible by 7 or not, that thing you have to do. So let us make the condition. How? You have to write the if statement, and I told you that the condition can be given in round bracket also. So n mod 7, if you do, it will give you a remainder. Okay, 78 will be divided by 7, and whatever the remainder is, it will give you that. Now if the remainder is equal to what? 0, then you're going to print what? Print divisible by 7. And sorry, I forgot to give colon here. And if it is not so, so in that case you have to do what? Else. You have to write else. After else also you have to put a colon, and then here I will just copy paste, and here I'm going to write what? Not divisible by 7. not divisible by 7. So this is very simple program where you're testing a number that is assigned whether divisible by 7 or not, right? So let us run the program. While running, it will tell you to save it. Yes, I'm going to save it by this name. The name is already there. With this name I have already a file. It is telling me whether to overwrite or not. I'll say overwrite it. Okay, so 78 is not divisible by 7. Let us check. 78 mod 7 gives what remainder? It gives 1 remainder. Therefore, it is not divisible by 7. Now, let us go back to this window and let us put 77 and check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Again, save it and then you go to run. It is now divisible by 7. I hope you have understood this if-else part, right? Now, for every if statement, it is not compulsory to give else part. Else is optional, right? You may use, may not use. If it is not divisible by 7, simply it will not give you any output. Let us put 79 and let us see what output it gives. Let us save this and let us run the program. Okay, it is not giving you any output because you have not given that part. Okay, so when you want to print, if the condition is not true, what to do? Okay, so you can put that thing in else part. Now let us understand if statement, right? So for that, let us do a simple program. Assign a day number, okay, and print the corresponding day name. Okay, so let me change the question. Assign day number and print the corresponding okay. So if you assign 1, it will be Monday. If you assign 2, then Tuesday will come and so on, right? So let us assign day number equals to 4 or 5, whatever. Now you keep on checking if day, that is D, if it is equal to 1, okay, then you will do what? Sorry, it is if, and here you have to print MONDAY. I have printed in capital letter, right? So this is done. If the day number is not 1, then what you are going to do? You will take another decision, elif. What if day is equal to 2? Then what are you going to do? You copy this and print Tuesday. Let me copy the rest of the thing from here only, as because they are same. Colon is again missing, so Control C and Control V. Okay, day, if it is 3, then you will print what? Wednesday. Then again you will come here, paste it. If it is 4, you will print Thursday. then again you will do what? This, and you have to check for 5, that is Friday. You have to check for now 6, that is Saturday, right? And finally day 7, right? So this is Sunday. So the program is done. Let us run the program. Remember that D is equal to 5. That means this output should come, Friday should come, right? So run this module, save it. I'm going to, okay, this is Friday. Is that all right? Now if you change it to suppose 7, let us see, save it and you run it. Okay, this is Sunday. So I told you about the decision making statement in Python. There are 3 varieties: if else, and if-elif ladder. I hope all of you have understood how to use all these statements in your Python programming. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you so much.